So what's up guys, let's start trading. Okay, with a downtrend and okay, I think I'll go for sellers. Okay, it's a downtrend and there's a level. This area, this is sellers area. From this area market will go down, I know. That's why I placed a lower option. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, 16 seconds. Okay, I want the trade. Let's check a different market. Okay. Trend is downtrend and there is a level at this area, so let's see. Okay, I placed the higher option because it's a strong candle and a weak breakout of round number level. That's why I went for higher option. Okay. Okay. Six seconds. Okay, no problem. We lost the trade. Let me go for okay. Let's see. Okay, I'll place my trade on. Let me check for another pair. Market isn't good at this time. Okay, let me check for another. Okay. Trend is uptrend. Let's find a good opportunity. Okay, late entry, but no problem. Might give me a win trade. Trend is uptrend. After breakout this candle, this level after breakout this candle made a new high, so that's why I placed a higher option. And it's a strong candle after breakout. think I'll place one more trade and then stop, because the market is not good at this time. Market is not good at this time, so I'll have to stop. Okay. Place my trade after this candle, no problem. Okay. Okay, I placed a high option again because it's a round number level, and this is a strong candle sign of reversal. It's a round number level, and this strong candle is a sign of reversal. Long candle is a sign of reversal, so that's why I place higher option. And the trend is uptrend. Okay, I won the trade. I think this is my history. As you see, I lost one trade. The rest 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, 3 win and 1 loss. Okay, that's all for today, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.